You're going to learn katakana from now on. First, please have a look at the katakana table. There are 46 letters in katakana. That's exactly same as hiragana. Starting from the top to the bottom, a, I, u, e, o. Then next, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. You can write a syllable in hiragana and in katakana too. However, katakana is basically only used as international words that are originally not Japanese. Let's see some examples. This is orange, which is orange. We don't pronounce like English because Japanese letters have a vowel in each letter. So we pronounce one letter each. O, re, n, ji. Next one is salada, which is salad. We use katakana for this word because it comes from English. But the pronunciation is not salad like English. You need to read each letter, then sa-la-da. Okay, so let's start writing with the 5 letters. A, I, u, e, o. Are you ready? Let's start with A. 1 and 2. A. Now let's see hiragana A and katakana A just to compare. A. Do you see the difference? Next one is I. 1 and 2. I. I. Next one is U. 1, 2, then 3. U. U. Next one is E. 1, 2, and then 3. E. E. Last one is O. 1, 2, then 3. O. O. Now you see the difference between hiragana and the katakana, but it's also interesting to find some similarity. For example, the letter U, they are quite similar. Okay, so now let's review. What is this? 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 How was it? So you've learned the 5 letters A, I, U, E, O in katakana in this lesson. Next will be ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. See you in the next lesson!